All right, let's see if I can get this to work. All right. Now I can't find. Okay. So, we are going to try something a little different with me teaching you how to do things. One thing that I didn't talk about in the how to conjugate ER verbs video was how to do a negation or a negative. So in order to make a not sentence, so you know how to say we are dancing. We've done that. We is new. We've done that before. Then the are dancing, this is built in. So all you have to do is conjugate to dance, which is danser. It's on your vocab. You get rid of the ER to get your stem. That leaves DANS. And your ending for new is ONS. You have ONS inside new in case that helps you as a, like a little tip. But what you don't know how to say yet is instead of we are dancing, we are not dancing. So you still have new here. You still have dancing. That the conjugation of to dance with we does not change. You still drop the ER. You still have ONS as your ending that you add on. But in order to do this not thing, what you do is you have ne pas around your conjugated verb. And these three little dots right here, that's where your conjugated verb goes. So this is your conjugated verb, which means your not is actually in two places. It's going to be ne in front of your verb and pas after your verb. So now you have nous ne dansons pas for we. This is your not part, are not dancing over here. Now, the only thing that changes a little bit, sorry, looks like my children have been drawing on things. What kind of changes a little bit is when you have verbs that start with a vowel. So if you have I am listening, you've already seen this before, or you should have seen this before at some point. You have je, and then écoute comes from écouter, but you can't have these two sounds side by side. So what you do is you get rid of the E and do an apostrophe for j'écoute instead of je écoute, right? Same thing happens, or the similar thing happens when you use ne. For I am not listening to my teacher. You still have, you have this. And you're going to put ne here, right?
Johnson boys, let's go.
But this doesn't make sense. So what happens is, because you're inserting this new word right here, whoops, made it a little too big. Anyway, the J apostrophe goes back to JE, and then the NE becomes N apostrophe, only because there's a vowel there. So when you have a vowel, your ne or your je changes to N apostrophe or J apostrophe just for pronunciation purposes. Chew does not work this way, even though it ends in a vowel. It is something different, but so jes and nus in front of vowel beginning verbs, you will do the apostrophe. So one more. I'll erase all of this from my children. I'll give you two more. So y'all enter, you have vous entrez. But when you make it y'all do not enter, you still have vous, but because you have not, you need ne verb pas. This verb starts with a vowel, so you get rid of this E and make it, oops, you put an apostrophe. Okay? As always, if you have any questions, please let me know.